Sup guys YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm gonna play Garage Mod on the game. So you gotta play the game in the Garage Mod. His name is nextbot. I'm gonna show you the scene. Alright. I'm gonna join NPCs. His name. Okay. His name is Tamus the Tank. His name Tamus the Tank. His name is Tamus. His name Tamus from. Alright, next here. Let's go. Okay. Go. Where's Tamus? Oh my god, he's coming. Go. Oh my god, help me please. Don't kill me. No, help. Please. Don't kill me. That's just so close, I don't know like that. I'm gonna get Tamus. Alright, let's get next. The first you go to, you got this nextbot Tamus the Tank, and that's here. I'm gonna spawn. Go back. Tamus is seeing the camera from Tamus the Tank. You see the camera. It's right there over here. Wait. Come back, camera. There we go. Let's go NPCs. We got the boss in. We got the million. Here we go. Let's go next. I got the friend. Got the multi. I'm gonna check it out. These get in 1 second. We got the Luna here. As you can see this. Here we go. Let's go from Squid Wario from Tamus. Wait, his name. Its name. What is his name? Squid Wario. Alright. Next, you have. Alright. Let's go. Do you got miss the camera? Are you gonna explode Tamus the Tank? It's right there. I'm gonna get check weapons. Next here, where is he? Are you ready? Alright, ready. I'm getting ready. Alright, I can ready. You gotta take the camera. 3, 2, 1. It's coming, Tamus the Tank. Wait. Oh no! Please don't. Oh my god! Oh my god, Tamus is tank engine all more. Come on, friends, get out of here. Oh shit. It's coming Tamus right there. It's Tamus.